We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp Transactional effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard, click on Automations and look for the Transactional option in the main menu. Click on that and you'll be directed to the Mandrill app, which is the platform Mailchimp uses for transactional emails. If you haven't set up Mandrill yet, you'll need to do so by clicking on Add Mandrill and following the instructions to create an API key. Make sure to save this API key somewhere safe, as you'll be using it to connect your applications. Once you have your API key, you can start by integrating it with your website or app. Go to the settings in your Mandrill account, and you'll find options to set up webhooks for tracking email activities, such as bounces or clicks. Now, to send an email using Mailchimp Transactional, go to the Outbound section and click on Senders. Here you can verify a new domain or email address that you want to send emails from. After verification, head over to the Templates section if you need to create or customize email templates. You can use the built-in editor to create HTML templates or upload your own. Finally, to send an email, use your API key in your application code, specifying the sender's email, recipient's email, subject, and the template you want to use. You can also include merge tags to personalize your emails based on your recipient's information. Mailchimp Transactional is great for sending order confirmations, password resets, and all sorts of automated emails. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.